Hey, how's it going, guys? I just wanted to hop on real quick and talk about another important subject that I always talk to my clients about, and I wanted to share that thought with you guys. Like always, if you're new to my channel, please make sure that you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my content that I put out at least 3 times a week. All right, guys, let's get into it. So what I want to talk about is how can you build wealth in real estate? And what I always ask my clients, especially if they are first-time home buyers, that number one question I ask those guys are, is this your forever home, or what are your plans with it? Now, if they tell me that, no, this is not my forever home, awesome. I love to hear that, because what I like to do then is kind of guide them in the direction to set those guys up for, for the future, and how they can make money on their first home so they can use that money on their forever home. So the best thing to do is always buy in the right area. What I mean by that is always buy in an area where it's appreciating. Don't buy in an area where you see 5 doors down or 5 houses down, you see rundown property, or your house is probably the best looking property on the block. That's not an area you want to buy in. So what I always do is tell my clients, hey, if this is going to be your starter home, just live here for a few years, let your equity build up, but you got to buy in the right area before that equity can build up. So let your equity build up, live here for a couple years, and once you get that equity built up, take that money out, and you can put that money towards your forever home, right? And that's so when I'm house hunting with my clients, I always tell them, hey, don't look for perfection in your first home, because it's not going to be your actual house you live in forever, right? So just take this house, it may not be what you want, it may not be everything that's on your checkoff list, but just think about it. You're not going to be here forever. And as long as you buy in the right area, you buy at the right time, and you don't trash the house, so when you get ready to sell the house, all that money you built up in equity over the years, you can take that money out and roll it over to your new house. So most of the time, not all the time, but first-time home buyers, they usually go through a FHA mortgage, which is most 3.5% down, right? So, and you usually have PMI insurance, so you got to pay that private mortgage insurance, whatever you call it, every month on top of your interest and principal. PMI is when you pay a little bit of mortgage insurance to the lender to protect them, just in case something happened with the loan and they have that cushion to fall back on. So PMI is not for you, it's for the lender. So I brought that up to say this. So usually first-time home buyers, they use a FHA loan, which is 3.5% down, because let's face it, most of the time, first-time home buyers don't have a lot of money saved up, so they go the FHA route, right? So when you build a lot of equity in your starter home and you get ready to purchase your forever home a few years on down the road, guess what? Now you probably have enough money out of the equity of your first home, you can qualify for a conventional loan. And that conventional loan doesn't have any PMI. So you're saving money in that aspect. You don't have to pay the PMI monthly. You qualify for a conventional loan, which usually is a lower interest rate than an FHA loan most of the time. So that's a great way you can, build equity in your house. You can build for the future. You can save money. You can use real estate to build your portfolio. You can do a lot of things with real estate. So if you're on the fence about buying and you think, man, the market is kind of crazy right now or whatever, just think about it. This is not going to be your forever home. Just buy something that you can live in for a couple years, build that equity up, and when the market, get better or whatever, and the market is not as crazy as it is now, you can just take that equity out and purchase your forever home, right? But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope that helped you out a little bit. If you have any questions or any concerns, or you want to post a comment, just please feel free to post that in my comment section below, and I'll be happy to reach out to you and answer any questions that you have. And once again, if you're new to my channel, just make sure you hit that bell notification, hit that like and subscribe button. And also too, if you're in the market to buy or sell, or know someone that is, my number is 803-603-9588. I'm Rodney Conway, aka Rodney the Realtor. I'm with Keller Williams Preferred here in the Columbia area. So if you're ever looking or need someone to help you navigate the real estate market, I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. All right, guys, have a great day and talk to you soon. Peace out.